Do you want to be able to fix can't change name on Instagram? Well, then you have come to the perfect video, because in this video I'm going to show you step by step exactly how to do this, but make sure that you watch this until the very end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So the first step is going to be for us to of course come to our Instagram app and then come to our profile right here, as you can see. The second step is to click on the three lines in the top right corner, so click on the three lines, and as you can see we're now taken here. What I'm going to do in here is to just simply click where it says settings, so click on settings in here. Now I'm just going to scroll down and then I'm going to click where it says help, so click on help, and then I'm going to click where it says reports a problem. Once again click on reports a problem and then click on include and continue in here. Now I'm going to write like this to Instagram: I want to change my name from, then just write the name that you want to change from to this instead. Make sure that it's correct as well. So you need to write like this basically: I want to change my name from to this name instead, and just double check so that everything is correct. And now when you're done, just click on send in the top right corner. And then what you need to do after that is to wait about 1 to 3 business days and then once again try to change to that name instead. For some reason I have seen that this actually works. So basically you can try this like method right here. Now wait about, let's say about 1 to 2 business days. Just wait a couple of days before you actually go back to your profile and then try to change to that name instead that you want to change to. So basically I hope that this will solve your issue. So let me know in the comments below if you have any questions, and I will do my very best to try to help you. And also please leave a like on this video and subscribe to my channel, because I'm doing a lot of helpful videos constantly that might be very useful to you. Thank you very much for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.